How to fix TikTok suspended account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, launch your TikTok application and get logged into your TikTok account. Now, if it shows that your account is being suspended, then here is what you should do to try and fix it. Tap onto your profile from your bottom right hand side. You will see a page like this. In here, tap on 3-bar icon, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way below and then you will see Report a Problem. Tap onto it and you will see a page like this. Under Topics, expand the option of Account and Profile, select Profile Page. Tap on Other. Tap on Need More Help and simply have a live chat. Tap on Other here and type in that even though you have not violated any terms and conditions of TikTok, your account says that it has been suspended. In case you have violated any terms and conditions, you have to apologize quickly here. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.